Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elsa and today I'm going to present our research entitled Improving Students' Speaking and Writing Skill through Picture-Based Activity at SD Negeri Tugu 4. Jadi penelitian ini membahas bagaimana penggunaan media gambar dapat membantu meningkatkan kemampuan speaking dan writing siswa di sekolah desa serta hasil mengajar kita selama 2 pekan. Before we begin, let me introduce our team. First, there is Nabila, Nazira, Fadelia, Salwa, and me, Salsabila Kaputri. Now let's move to the background of the study. English is one of the top of the important subjects because it helps students communicate in speaking and writing. But based on observasi in SD Negeri Tugu 4, banyak siswa kelas 5 masih kesulitan berbicara dan menulis dalam bahasa Inggris karena keterbatasan kosakata dan kurangnya percaya diri. Therefore, we use picture-based active as a learning medium. Next, we have background research for choosing the title. We choose this title because pictures are simple and attractive learning media. By using pictures, students more memahami kosakata baru dan more interested to speak or write in English. And next, we have research of object and problems font. Grade 5 students of SD Negeri Tugu 4 were chosen because they were less active during English lessons and often faced difficulty in producing simple spoken and writing in English sentence. Oleh karena itu, media visual dipilih sebagai solusi pembelajarannya. And next, we have research questions. The study aims to answer the following research questions. First, how can picture improve grade 5 students speaking skills at SD Negeri Tugu 4? And 2, how can picture improve grade 5 students writing skills at SD Negeri Tugu 4? And 3, what are the students' response towards the use of picture as a learning mediums? And 4, can picture increase students' participations and motivations during English learning activities? Next, we have descriptions of research object. First, research object. This research was conducted in grade 5 of SD Negeri Tugu 4 with 32 students. The learning media include pictures, flashcard, worksheets, video, and LCD projector. Kami memilih media visual karena lebih menarik dan membantu siswa memahami materi dengan lebih mudah. And next, we have research objective and benefits. Research objective. The objective of this study are to improve students' vocabulary, pronunciations, speaking ability, writing ability, confidence, and classroom participations. In short, the goal is to make English learning more effective and enjoyable. Next, we have benefits. These benefits for students is easier vocabulary learning through visual media, greater confidence in English speaking, better ability to write simple English sentence, increased motivations and interest in learning English, more active participations in classroom activities, and benefits for teachers, an alternative strategy for English language teachings, greater students' engagement during classroom activities, references for integrating visual media into speaking and writing instructions, support in creating a more effective and enjoyable learning. Next, we have theoretical framework. This study is based on the assumptions that picture-based activities can improve students' speaking and writing skills by providing visual stimulus that help learners acquire vocabulary, develops idea, encourage participants' participations, and build confidence in use English. Previous studies also show that pictures and flashcards help students improve vocabulary and communication skills. Next, we have theoretical framework from picture-based activities. In short, picture-based activities are learning activities that use picture as visual media. Picture helps students to understand the words ingin menghasilkan ide dan membuat proses belajar menjadi lebih menarik. Next, for speaking skills, in short, speaking skill is the ability to communicate ideas orally. Many elementary students still have problems with pronunciations, vocabulary, grammar, and confidence. Picture can help students practice speaking in more comfortable way. And next, in writing skills, in short, writing is the ability to express ideas in written form. Students often have difficulty organizing ideas into sentence. Dengan bantuan gambar, siswa lebih mudah memahami ide untuk ditulis. And next, we have relationship between picture-based activity and speaking writing. Previous studies have shown that picture improve vocabulary, confidence, and classroom participations. Therefore, picture-based activities are expected to improve both speaking and writing skills. Next, analysis of the phenomenon. Based on our observations, students were shy when speaking English and had difficulty writing simple sentence. Therefore, we implemented picture-based activity using picture, flashcards, videos, and worksheets to support vocabulary learning, idea development, and language productions. Next, discussions based on research questions. Pictures help students. Number one, how can picture improve students' speaking? Picture helps students improve their speaking skills because they could easily understand vocabulary and express their idea. And two, how can pictures improve students' writing skills? For writing, picture helps students generate idea and create simple English sentence more easily. Because students observe visual object and wrote vocabulary or short sentence related to job and animals, and they can clearly present it through images. Students found it easier to organize. To organize and express their idea in written form. And three, what was the students' response toward the rules, the use of pictures? The students show positive response toward the use of visual media. They were more enthusiastic, focused, and interested in participating in classroom activities. And four, can picture increase student participation and motivations? The findings show that picture increase student participation and motivations. Students actively answer questions, mentions vocabulary, join guessing games, work in groups, and complete worksheet. Visual media and learning considered enjoyable and meaningful for students. Next, we have classroom art action research. Classroom action research, or SAR, is research method used to improve teaching and learning process through continuous cycles of planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. And next we have SAR cycles. First is planning. During the planning stage, lesson plans and learning media were prepared, and in the acting stage, the students learn using picture, flashcard, worksheets, and video through speaking and writing activities. And during observations, we evaluate students' participations, vocabulary, speaking, performance, and writing ability. Then in reflecting, the results were analyzed to improve the next learning process. And in the action plans, we focus on vocabulary learning, introduce vocabulary through visual media, providing pronunciation practice, encouraging students to describe picture orally using picture-based worksheets, conducting group activities, and educational games. And in the results, shows that students become more active, motivated, and confident in learning English. In conclusion, picture-based activities successfully improve student speaking and writing skills. However, this research was limited to one class and only 2 meetings. So So the future studies are expected to involve more participants and longer research period. And then micro teaching meeting 1. In the first meeting, the topic was kind of jobs. Students learn jobs vocabulary using picture, practice pronunciation, and made simple sentences such as she is a nurse, he is a teacher. And then students complete worksheet, discuss answer with their friends, and practice speaking together. Their participation and pronunciation were also evaluated by the teacher. Micro teaching process meeting 2. The second meeting focused on describing animals. The student learned animal vocabulary using flashcard and participants practice describing animal with simple sentence. The meeting activity-nya student play guessing games, complete worksheets, work in groups, and these activities encourage activity participations and help students in improve their speaking confidence. This is when we teach day 1 and day 2.
Ada nggak contohnya yang tadi aku baru jelasin selain dulu, ada nggak?
Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has give you better understanding how picture-based activity can improve students' speaking and writing skill. Thank you.